Welcoming you all. Today let's see how to prepare a gluten-free dosa recipe, and it is also a diabetic friendly recipe. For this dosa I have prepared coconut togel. This coconut togel recipe is also available in our channel. You can refer to it. This dosa is very crispy and tasty, which can be prepared very easily. Now let's get started and see how to prepare this yummy and crispy dosa. I have taken about 250 grams of sorghum or jowar. This jowar is completely gluten free. It's rich in fiber which aids in weight loss, and it also prevents constipation. It also boosts our immunity and hence can be used as an immunity booster. It's rich in proteins, magnesium, vitamin B, zinc and iron. It's rich in calcium which strengthens the bones. It also prevents premature aging. It reduces the LDL level and hence prevents heart diseases, and it's a diabetic friendly recipe. So in our channel we have already uploaded a recipe regarding this jowar dosa, so you can also see to it. About 125 grams of green moong dal. So this green moong dal is rich in iron and fiber, zinc, magnesium. It's rich in folic acid, which is very good for pregnant ladies. So it has the highest source of folic acid and it also prevents cancer. About 80 grams of tur dal and about 60 grams of urad dal. Now add all the dals and pulses to a wide bowl. 2 or 3 times wash it well and soak it in drinking water. So soak it for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, as you can see, the dal and pulses have been soaked well. Now in a blender jar, add a small piece of ginger, 4 green chilies and a handful of mint leaves. So we like the flavor of mint, so I am adding a handful of mint leaves. You can either add mint leaves or coriander leaves as well as curry leaves, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. The salt that's required for this batter, I have used rock salt. So now add the soaked dal. Add the water which we use for soaking the dal. Now grind it into a smooth batter. Grind it in small batches so our batter is ready. So now we are going to set aside the batter for about half an hour so that the dosa stays crispy for a long time. So set it aside for about half an hour. Now I'll show you how to prepare the dosa in 2 ways. The first, we'll prepare it like that of an ada dosa or a kind of uttapam. So pour 2 ladles full of batter and spread it out into a uttapam one. Now add finely chopped onion, coriander leaves and finely grated carrot. Add a spoon of oil, cover it with a lid and cook it well. When one side turns golden brown, flip it on to the other side. So now our tasty dosa, a uttapam kind of one is ready. The second one we'll prepare it into a crispy dosa. So pour another 1.5 batter of batter. Spread out the batter evenly. Cover it with a lid and wait until the dosa is nice and crisp. So the dosa is looking nice and crispy. So a crispy gluten-free dosa is ready. So this dosa goes well with all kinds of chutney and sambar. Try out this yummy and crispy gluten-free dosa recipe and let us know your feedback. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.